Kubor ka Batesi TV. Lawan Rashapi da ka Orange Nissan Loom Sopo near Fire Brigade Shillong. Ringkat bat ka net foodish. Ordar mapi minwan ra mangi hakir dog ying jongpi.
Kini kajing khot kini yang ini ke press conference kalau naman ba ki baro hapo kejela kajing khamtam ha Shillong kilong kibam bah hadu mentah but balay ng utan naman ba tang hapo arpusan sini BTS pinangi kiba nilakot hadu ndrius patam kaya marka but kasispa khatsal sini mensyam senam hau ahajar aku kasimpor hadu sispa khatsal sini wallahi nilashemi gila iba fair Bandera ng yang Jepang macam sedang kasimpor ng kata ngeri mental sedang terhadap artu sansu ni boy marka jo kaba kerekod kaba macam sedang kalau kasimpor hadu sispa khatsal dengan kata-kata nagaliang jong ke department ke jong nisim kiai ini nagaliang government but pinsutu syai badai bakalong umni ngidon magni kini doktor bisa doktor ki fair lagi yang di specialty yang ki fair udah magni makin ai jadi pecah ha kebaidai bad kini kelam mentah apa yang sampai di baro saya sisir bad nga kermen balemba jong kini ke press conference ke bagidan mentah kan wanra yang ya kajing pikir kajing simkia kajing semutu ba nginlong ibu konkret ya ke kabandangwan Sebentar, kalau ini jikran ibarat ni pelat akhbar dofi. Now we leave it to you to please put your queries and accordingly we will respond to each and every query which comes from all your good selves present here so that the same information can be disseminated to the public, and we are doing live as of now, and we hope that with this press conference we will be more responsible. We have learned from what happened last year. This year we should be fully prepared and to stop this pandemic. We cannot depend on anybody here. Once you been shut, tang hakikat umat ni, tang kesorka. The responsibility is you and me. But kata the responsibility na kaliang kajongki nakaliang kajongi barhad kani kapan ayani kebor manilai ignik klam then declare without forgetting that we have placed our faith, we have put in our prayers, we don't get hit kabafan but we do iman kasing yung blade rakira who ayani that God, with His grace, will protect us always. The number of ventilators in the government health institutions, that is invasive, we have got 32. And with the support from the central government, Ministry of Health and Family Welfare, we add another 54. And with the bypass, we've got 75. That is only from the government side. Okay? Yeah, that's.
Doctor, one question. Like many states like Gujarat, Maharashtra, Goa, they have complained of shortage of oxygen. So what is the...
See, from last year we have ramped up our oxygen, okay, oxygen need. And as of now, I will tell you that we have got about 609 oxygen support beds and 65 ICU beds. So this is, the distribution is across the state. Concentration is more in Shillong and in Tura. And this is our position. As of now, we have our own oxygen plant at Bernihat, and we have got firms which are supplying oxygen to all the hospitals, and that plant is in Amigaon in Assam. Paganaw hangi ba baru kata bagi hiar kis nadu December ter ni ahi hijau kijing betha light W what club bandeng gamas what club ban sanitize seni ban saniti what club ban pek ban kanum dan kajing yatur hajar dan kajing lambrum hak cakap di bubun beri. Kita ba dausan balik ke kiu. Mentah kami kadai keklam, but kadang dai keklam. This is a pandemic and it's still very much a pandemic. Nobody has ever declared that the pandemic is over. Keklam patku. Larang ni shin ni gilat niara. We go by these protective measures, preventive measures. I am definite that we can arrest and contain. Nrai naru itu before January, Feb nilada ong nakaliang katulu. Ba lada ngim buat kerking. Kamut lada kawan lani wan manu ibadan yung tang Jepang kaploy ban kami nomor pinpek kumala ong Dr. Rajiv Mantan babun kimpedya Manchester hapor kastang gani ka klang ngibun akdeng gajungi ngidan akdeng gajing bamtip ban nomor ngidan akdeng gajing bamtip kibabun kibri kimpedya ki ong kampoi sini ndai kapoi but ngimdan kidawai banyada ni community bagi nyo ay ka vaccine nyo ay ketika we waited for a long time for the vaccine and this vaccine came and when it came we asked a lot of questions about the vaccine, which is not fair. This vaccine is going to protect and prevent. It will prevent either from you contracting the virus and affecting you personally, or even if the body can't fight it, the severity comes down, the virulence comes down. We have seen that there were many people who have questioned about the vaccine, have refused to come for vaccination. But here I will say it bluntly, vaccinate before it's too late. Dan orang ni, I inject bakanera, yafi, but kawai ni di bansutu, kamtam ki kamrat kena sama bayar sebelum seneng, uni ukanyang Jepang manta umma ini. Yafi kena ki sama bayar sebelum seneng yafi kalau menum kita, kalau menum lele, mereka mau ke Filipina. But ginu kibaran ke Jepang. Haying joki kung diabetes, tani itu ginu kibara garta ka joki. Kebalalang pala, iya ka ndrip samsnam. Kemot dayo unit yang Jepang keluar. Banta bat ka kamjur. Sajisim ayah ketika once more vaccinate. This is going to protect us. Whatever mistakes that we have done in the past, how many months? Let us learn from that mistakes. And from here, henceforth onwards, we come out strongly and we respect one another. The other person opposite you will wear a mask and you will wear a mask. You will maintain distance, I will maintain distance. I will sanitize, you will sanitize. So those are the basic causes of why we are having a strike now. Panera, kiri live di TPW orang fee mentan. But in Soto, but nangish khmat. Kini dibagi ai di jumpa ringkat bat kejing ai tiga dan vaccination. Vaccination is the most important part now. You vaccinate yourself, at least we are dead sure that even if you get the virus, the virulence comes down. And when that happens, if you take care from your side, what happens? You do not put a stress on our health workers. Remember, if our health workers across the state, right from the doctors down, we work as a team in the hospital, we work as a team in any institution as health workers. For us, there is no hierarchy. If any of these health workers become exhausted, the question is not how prepared are we in terms of infrastructure, in terms of equipment, it will be the how prepared are we in terms of manpower. If we have less doctors, no matter how many equipments you have, how much infrastructure you have in place, you will find what is happening in other parts of the country. They are crying for a doctor, they are crying for a nurse, they are crying for the health workers. But there are none because most of them are exhausted. So ladaki nakadem katu fi piket kia, pishim kia, pinong ay kata di jenjang, ya kini inong try yure for health department, ya kini try yure the police department, the gamut, yano di bashtam jur nila onan, ya kacang sumaraki. That is the most important. Ngiri bansutu, ba ngidon hapreng keklam. But namar kani kham, kadang kani Epidemic Act, kadang kani State kani Disaster Management Act, kaba ngila penjari mentar. But halo kani nagalyang kibor kiberi kini jaga district kinle ay gumanan kam. But hapor bigile ay gumanan kam, day bansutu balay bigile ay gumanan kam. Namar kani kajingbang pitkiay jajongi, and but kani ban Shankuna to go for the fight, this will be the first step. Next step, pilai imenta nila hang school, nila penduna yang jing yalang kanungut ibrahim kecing jejar kelas tangwan biang. But lada kidang yang le gini kecing jejar kinangwan biang namar balik ni hapat perkat ya kecing im jong ibrahim orang kuat.
Ourselves think about the importance of wearing, following the protocols and doing it from our own self. And once we understand the importance of it, I do not think we'll require this kind of penalties and other things that we are talking about. And we would probably, the compliance levels would be much higher. What is important to emphasize is, and we have been discussing this, the fact that the highest risk for transmission is close contacts in terms of COVID. And close contacts for us are usually people we know. So while if we violate the norms, the protocols, we are not only putting ourselves at risk, we are also putting our close contacts at risk. And as long as we understand it, I'm sure that we would all be more, we'll all be more sincere in our efforts in maintaining the protocols. That's all I have to say. Thank you.
Haba kum kari ni yale persya ban om dai ban di secret show. Hakapor bangi om da pidi secret video cancer de tor, video cancer de masintor, la ban yo heart attack, la ban yo stroke, kibas ngap duna. Season ni tho, bat pensung tho e kibreu. Ba da di secret mapi kan ta yang ngabam di. Pada di secret manga hajan jongpi kan kata ya pi bomdi kecing di secret apo ki cakap pada kahyar sendang te ha kaju kan nomrem ngidi wan snow thu sha ki pada bat ngin sim no ai kecing ki naka government ko hak bangi bros kata ki te bakal government berle ngidi wan kem ki brio ki badeng mas ngidi wan pen sitam ya ki dukan ki bom faru ki bom buat ki bom lalu thang ngoman andrai hatu kamdai ke ban kamdai ke jing sisa ban ong ba lada don lu bom deng mas sajen jonga la pun yo jing sitam lada bom deng mas hajan jong pi la pun yo jing sitam jonga nanga omdai tang nga sibu pio nangaru umdai tang pi banyo ski khon jong pi pa jong pi me jong pi ime e jong pi khulung jong pi ipara jong pi ba armet hiang ila banyo ai jing stam te nga nakalian jongi ki medical staff ni banyo ya ka jing jin jar jong ki pa ba habu kiyo ini covid ni da kerpat kerpat rep ya pi ki pa ba baro ba phin ye le ba phin sim ni ta jing ki halade om tang man su om kem ni ki brio ki bom deng mas atrai ladang imle hi kumta banong kejing kelakan rumah nginom lahi banle ye
pun langsung tu ye gani habang ngideng ke mas kumni ngideng ke mas buka khut ndai putu nau pini habang ibu ke mas untuk yang ngiladeng ke mas ndai ngideng apa ketemu kani ke fashion kani jadi ke kamyak kamem ke jingeta kenal ba habos ladat baham ladat pengen ke mas habang kita nak cakap ba wan ni tu ye kata kamu orang doktor kecing kia kecing fikir kedai nangi kalau keju pideng mas oki ibu romenga ngadeng mas nga burom pinya burom ibe keju banyak kali pi kelanya ke kali nangi ngalanya ski ngalanya jai ba bahkan nondan gano accident uban nastai ko kalian bathurmur banyak thurmur uban terai kali joma keju angni ni lasim kia ilale kia di bapak ndai kita di mana koi yang sim kia te perthap hai ni kanung kamnan kamaradi kamdai bandan banong kecingnya batai sta ndai ha kanu ko puat pafidon kam kinong tre jong health department ki kloi banwan no ban pesutu anor
from the IDSP from the IDSP, like we have sent this whole genome sequence, that is for detect the variants. So we have done that with from all over the country. They have been collecting this, and Meghalaya also has sent in the month of February. And when the report is given from NCDC, it will be given to all the respective states. So we are waiting for the report of that whole genome sequencing. We have sent a sample already sent in the month of February.
Is there any difference in the symptoms this time? Like last year? Major difference?
Despite what we get is long. Symptoms are almost same like last year, except one or two cases came with loose motion. Otherwise, others, those what we said, pink eye and the severe body ache and all those things. Severe we did get, but pink eye, except gastrointestinal symptoms, we didn't have any symptoms. Like change in the color of the oral cavity, change in the color of tongue, those are not there. Right now with our patient.
Ini ke press conference, kalau pin ai, kalau pin ini terpat itu, kalau pin suhaban, kalau pin yang nama kena kot yang kena kubur, bah hadir bah injek, kamu bah pinum yo ini kita jepang, kamu lain tadi kita kedua, wat kelet pandai mas, wat kelet pansai kiti, wat kelet ban num ya num brum, hamtam itu cakap apa kita ini mukusan. Terkadang misalnya begini ke press conference. Whatever we speak here, we disseminate here, will in turn be disseminated from your end to the public for their benefit.
But yes, let me reiterate, the vaccine is not a cure. We don't have a cure. What the vaccine will do is, number one, reduce the severity if by the unfortunate circumstance that you happen to contract the virus, it will reduce the severity in you. But it will not cure you. It is not a cure. So even after being fully vaccinated, you still need to follow your precautions, because if you look at it from the other side, a person who has been vaccinated, if you were to contract the virus, may not show signs and symptoms. But there is still a chance that he may transmit the virus from one person from him to the next person, even though small studies have shown, from Italy, small studies have shown that the risk of transmission of those vaccinated is still much lower than those who have not been vaccinated. But it is not zero. A person who has been vaccinated can still transmit, even though the chances of transmission after vaccination is still low. That is why, to cover up that last part, we still advise that you have to wear your mask, maintain your social distance, and follow the third W is wash your hands.
Kekubur kami, kebalong negatif, mesti kami bahaya kata. Any negative news, we tend to stick and it imprints in us, and we tend to believe on that. Now, regarding the vaccination, yang ketiga, PD kena dawai yang side effect. Nai kini kubur hal saya gitu pen subjek kene. Kini kita ajur. Ya kini ke vaccination drive ke jumlah kita. Terkadang sekat ya kini ke press conference no. Ba kamdan kung kata ke ba pinsidom na ni pinpang jur. Dari kalau kita ya kemet ke CPM benar kata. Kalau ada IR, saya dokter ini berenang ni. Kalau ada IR dos, kibun ki teman ki kror ki ada I, mana kustom, mana waya, mana bupang. Kamu dah kata, kamu hangi ni kuat ban percaya. Kenapa hangi? The vaccination is going to protect us, and we can see the end of the pandemic first through this vaccination. Nah, kata-kata keserkan, the government has given full thrust on vaccination. Nginstang siya ng nasab, but ngin penpur kelai. Na baru khat nila vaccinate, pinsay ba kani kejingpang kansa sijah ajan. Takkan yang berito. Kabaa. Baru katanya dua ya bu kucing dua kucing ini ya kucing yang dawai. Berpenjak ini COVID-19. Ngimlah, ila orang doktor mana, spesialis mana ila apa? Umdan dawai. Berpenjak. Ndai tang kucing ya dah. Uang vaksin ya baik. Ni tak ni di politik sih. Tapi dari company ke politik sih ni dari Jepang, dari ke Islam. What led to the Islam? This is a pandemic. And if you start playing with the pandemic, we are the ones who will suffer. Jadi mengi. Kiba siam jinja hadir nabot. But hilai hapena gini gilai mana jai. Ngindon ka bani kran ngai ya. Ngindon ka ban ai jikan ai hilai gini kran lai mana. Ni na pa hel. Hilai ngidan de gidang kimas ki jini. Yang ni kiwai dan kimas. Naja mata ini wat kam kedok ti ni no. Kedok ti yang kedok ti fi. Ngan kedok ya ladi fi kedok ya ladi. Ngidai mangi kiba keluan ya kan. Bahkan ulong ni. Nada kiwan kibri kena bar. Naik kena ai kibri kena bar. Nakiwan maki napok na bar kila ngidai mangi mangiwan ai advice tiki. Ngidai mangi man penia dai tadi mengindang kimas ki menginum yo kini kiwi kinum yo. Nring kita le abunta. Ni sikai betwa gani galaja hakari kejengi kan muan gani nekong ni kiong kan muan. Ndak kawan kan su lo tang manumalan mani di kiwaslan di bayi babang kata mulai pet mentah. Nada kapoi kapur kumbalong siapa Mumbai nada kapoi kapur makanong kumbalong po Delhi Gujarat tik sngap kui nagadeng natoki di planong plasta but putu bidang kubur ayu ganja hani honi kanungut kinoktas ngidan honi kanungut kinas lara nakaliang gini doktas kinas yo e gani cimpang manungun semua but kenal ini ke Jingpang dibalik ke hospital kemudian COVID kini dikiwe di Jingpang nama nama kiting COVID kini gimana dikiwe di Jingpang kini cu kila ndal adir por pala but kinsai bakija kini di Jingpang ibu nak di hospital nama kecing dir por too late they have gone too late because they are scared of COVID ngindai bandar ni kini di Jingpang sabawai nilai hospital nila ada lupa katu kacing slow hangi bar usah declare dengan COVID positif na point to the test kenroi doktor kenroi staff betre po hospital kenroi kinas kenno de life jack iki what plan ini ide iba ai semua don't forget these are the people who are treating you who are providing the best care to you mess around with them we are the ones who need to suffer it. What kelak ini? What let the kacing down support hospital? Let the kacing semua, but the kacing semua berbuat yang yang advice orang ki. Lalu orang ki yang dulan, kiriban yang try, kiriban lek entah. What nungkan he? Kami ikut nungkan he entah.
Ba amdan dawai setia ban penkot yang ini nak kacing pangkawit. Kebal priang sted hadu kata-kata. Bat kai bang ilak ban yedai rade bat ngin pendunai kacing sakriang jong dengan kacing pang bat ka bakhat duk ngilak ban eradicate dengan kacing pang kalau tang da bang yo no vaccine dia kalau pat ki brio baro bikin ayo no vaccine a doses bat amdan side effects erohen lese bo na ki brio ki tiang bayo dan side effects sudah allergy bat komunikum tai ndrai hadu menta kumba silap prabuwai ajar ngot ki bang ilak vaccine tang kumba arspa sapun nyawot ki brio ki bayo cing pang malumala kata kalau tang kacing ketha clear kacing ketha met kacing pang na jaka inject bat kiwai pat babulu mala tang ini